Hi, I'm Alan Thomas. Today I'm doing my third experiment of web technology lab. So my aim is to design a single page website using HTML5 and CSS3. So the page should have a header, section, and footer. So let's move on to the coding. So moving on to the coding, let's start with the HTML tag, header tag, title tag. I'll give my title to the web page, experiment 3. Then in the link tag I'm mentioning the external style sheet, main styles.css. This is the style sheet. And moving on to the body part. In the body part I've started with the division tag. I've created the class header, and the header is this is my header. So moving on to the CSS properties of the header, I've given first of all the whole page margin 0 and padding 0 as shown. And then moving on to the header CSS property, I've given background color, the text color, text align, font size, all these properties, width, height, padding top. Padding top will overrule the padding, this padding property, and thus this is my header. And then moving on to the next thing, the next division is the navigation bar. In the navigation bar I've created a ordered list and mentioned all the menu items, listed all the menu items. And moving on to the CSS property, I've given display as inline block, and background color, border, height, width, all properties I've given. So thus all the menu will be listed with equal sizes and shapes with equal height and width. And then moving on to the next, I've given a hover property. The hover property is that when the cursor moves over this menu, it will be highlighted yellow. And then moving on to the next division, the next part in the web page is this part. So this I've imported an image using image tag, given the source and height and width, and then I've written on it using the p tag. And then and then moving on to the next part, I have to create 3 blocks of pictures, and I have to overwrite about them. Then so moving on to, I've created I've created a division tag. In that I've created 3 division tags, namely image 1, image 2, like that. And then moving on to the CSS properties. CSS properties I've given all the margin properties, and then for image 1 I've given float left, position relative, and for image 2 I've given float right, image margin right is equal to 0 pixel. So thus it will be positioned and as like this. And then I'm moving on to in order to write about the image of the CSS properties over image, and I've given the position as absolute, and then opacity as 5.5, background color, text align, paddings, all these properties. Thus I've written about the image. And then moving on to the next section, I have to create 2 subheadings. So for that, the code the next division is, I have created 2 divisions, subheading and subheading 1 in 2 boxes. And then I mentioned the CSS properties, margin, height, width, background color, and for the subheading I have same all these CSS properties. And then I written all this content using p tag, so it's mentioned as shown. And then moving to the next part, the division tag footer. So in that the CSS property I've given is foot, height, position, relative, background color, float left, padding top, all these properties. And then as shown, it's written like this: sky blue color and all the CSS properties. And thus this is my website using CSS and HTML. Thank you.